What's up, YouTube? This is Thomas from Thomas Invest and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about waste management. What do they do and why I think it's a great company. I'm also giving my opinion about the stock price and whether I will buy at this moment or not, so please stay tuned until the end. Remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or the YouTubers say about a stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a video. I also appreciate an early thumbs up, which helps me within the YouTube algorithm. For now, let's dive into it. So, today we're going to talk about some key metrics of waste management. What is their revenue? What makes them a good business? What are the main competitors? And in the last part, I'm going to talk about the stock price and what I expect to happen in the coming months. So, first of all, Waste Management is a waste collector and they are the market leader in North America. But, of course, they do a lot more than just collecting waste. As we can see here, they serve more than 20 million residential, commercial, industrial and municipal customers through collection, landfill transfers, recycling and other line of businesses. The most of the revenue is coming from collection, which is about 55%. Another 21% is coming from landfill, 10% transfer waste, 5% recycling waste, and the last 9% is coming from other waste businesses. As we all know, the recycle part is a hot topic in the future, so waste management already has 5% of the revenue coming from recycling waste and transferring it into energy. I think this number could easily go up as they develop more and especially smarter ways of recycling waste into energy. In my opinion, this is a very strong future-proof income stream, besides the main income streams, which is collecting waste. If we dive in some key metrics of waste management, we see that over the last 10 years, the revenue of waste management has increased from 12.5 billion to 15.2 billion, which is equal to around a growth of 21%. They have a market cap of almost 54 billion, which is the highest in the sector. And if we look at the main competitors, we see that Republic Services, RSG, is their closest competitor with a market cap of 32 billion. We also see some smaller players with a market cap under the 7 billion, according to Macrotrends. If we look at the return on equity, in my opinion, a very strong metric, we see that in the past 5 years, the return on equity of waste management was never lower than 21%, which is, in my opinion, very strong. So, they do have the highest market cap in the industry, increasing revenue every year, and they are also highly profitable. Waste management is expecting to grow the revenue around 11% in 2021, which is very nice. They are planning to do so by switching to a fee-for-service model, which should support their growth. The last year, we saw a little decrease in revenue, mostly because of the Ronavirus. If we look at the main competitor, RSG, we see a little decrease in revenue as well, during the Ronavirus. So, this should not be a major problem for waste management in the future. Another thing which makes waste management a great company is that they do pay dividends and increase them every year for about 18 years in a row. The average growth rate of the last 5 years is around 7%, at a payout ratio of 48 at this moment. They recently increased their dividends to $2.30 annually. The last part in this video, I want to talk about the stock price and what I expect to happen in the coming months. At the time of recording, the share price is around $130 and has risen quite a lot in the last couple of weeks, as we see in this chart. The main reason is because people are feeling confident about waste management, because they do have a strong balance sheet with enough room to grow and they're shown to be very solid, even during recessions. At the beginning of 2021, the stock price was around $115 and went down to $110 in February. This was the moment when I started buying waste management. Immediately after hitting the lowest points of $110, they started climbing all the way up to $130 in March, which is also the all-time high. Do I planning to stop buying waste management? No. As I said earlier, they are the market leader in the US and there's plenty of room to grow. Besides, the revenue is growing every year and they are planning to switching to a fee-for-service model, which should support a higher growth in the future, according to the investor presentation. In the past 12 years, the stock price always has risen throughout the year. Even last year, during the coronavirus, the stock has risen about 3.5%, which is not a lot. But in the end of the year, you weren't losing any money on waste management when you buy it at the beginning of 2020 or at the right time. I think the stock price also will be rising in 2021, if they can beat their expectations as they did every quarter last year. On the 27th of April, Waste Management is going to present the quarterly results. I think when they can beat expectations, the stock will easily go up. So, my conclusion is that Waste Management is a great buy and I don't regret owning it. It's a very solid company which is likely to grow even more in the coming years. This is not your 10x next day stock, but a very solid stock with a nice potential growth. They have some big things planned for 2021 and this should support the growth even more. I would easily buy more of Waste Management stock because I truly believe in the business model and waste always needs to be collected. I'm even planning to add some more Waste Management stocks to my portfolio this month. But again, always do your own research and never make decisions only based on my YouTube videos. I'm not a financial advisor and this is just for entertaining purposes only. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you will get notified when I'm posting a new video. It also helps my YouTube channel a lot. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.